In this video, we are making a solid bumps and boo-boo stick. This is our travel Neosporin replacement. It's super simple to make. All you'll need is a carrier oil, some beeswax, and you're gonna melt them together and then add your essential oils, pour into the tube, and that's it. The first thing you're going to do is melt your beeswax and almond oil over a double boiler or in the microwave. Adding about a teaspoon of beeswax and a tablespoon of almond oil. While that is warming up, you can gather your essential oils. There are lots of different bumps and boo-boo blends, owie blends, but today I'm using tea tree, lavender, copaiba, and frankincense. This tube is fairly small. I'm just using 1 drop of each essential oil. And make sure you label the tube that you're using just so that you know exactly what's in the tube and then when it expires. Okay, this mixture has cooled for a bit, so I'm gonna add my essential oils. 1 drop of frankincense, copaiba, lavender, and tea tree essential oil. Funnel is always a good idea. Then once this cools and solidifies, you have your on-the-go travel bumps and boo-boo stick. Like and follow for more recipes.